Start. The respondent number 1 has filed its objection statement seeking to justify the notification. It is necessary to take note herein that though in the instant batch of the petitions, the validity of the provisions in the Citizenship Act has not been assailed, in another petition bearing WPC number 1397 of 2020, since there is a challenge to the said provisions and was earlier tagged with these petitions, the respondents in the common counter affidavit have also referred to the provisions of the Act and the Constitution of India in order to justify its validity. Since those aspects do not require consideration in this batch of cases, the objections by respondent number 1 insofar as seeking to justify the issue of the impugned notification dated 4/3/2021 alone is taken note. In that regard, it is contended that as per the notification, the OCI cardholders were given parity with NRIs in the educational field. Under the notification, the OCI cardholder students were entitled to appear for All India pre-medical test and such other tests to make them eligible for admission. It is averred that a harmonious reading of 2005 and 2009 notifications leads to the conclusion that the OCI cardholders students have parity to the NRIs and therefore can lay claim only to NRI quota seats. The educational right of OCI cardholder students were discussed in a meeting of the Committee of Secretaries held wherein it was agreed that the OCI cardholders may be treated at par with NRI, in the quota of NRI, and they ought not to be eligible against seats meant for Indian citizens. Hence, it was felt that relevant notifications be issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs. In that view, the consolidated notification was issued in exercise of the power under section 7B(1) of Act, 1955, whereby the earlier notifications of 2007 and 2009 were incorporated so as to bring clarity with regard to the various provisions. It is contended that the rationale is to protect the rights of the Indian citizens, and in such matters, state may give preference to its citizens vis-a-vis foreigners holding OCI cards. In that regard, it is stated that the number of seats available for medical and engineering courses in India are very limited and does not fully cater to the requirement of the Indian citizens. Accordingly, the writ petition is allowed pending interlocutory applications, stands disposed of, urgent certified copy be granted as per rules.